Morning, guys! So last night I did something kind of stupid. I stayed awake until 1:30 on a work night working on this quilt. Yeah, I think it was worth it though. Well, I haven't gone to work yet. We'll see how work goes today before we make any final decisions. So I thought I'd show you a little bit about what I'm doing here. I'm doing the corners on the loft. I'm going to have it on this top corner and then the bottom corner on the other side to sort of frame it. I've got this swirly pink area and then this box sort of frames it. You can see it better maybe on this one. And so there's a few of those. You can see there's another pink square here. That's going to be done the same way. So we have some sort of pink squares with these tilted white boxes going around it. And then also the same thing here is going to be a white swirly area with a pink box around it. So that's what's going to be happening there. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to go back in and fill in the center. Right now these centers are poofy. I think they need something. I just haven't decided yet what that's going to be. And then as we move over, I've gone to just straight lines throughout the quilt. So in the pink area, I've gone bump, bump. In the white, I've just got the straight. Mainly I did that because if I did the bump, bump in the white, I would have had to match each of these lines, and I didn't feel like doing that much work. So I figured by doing straight here and straight here, I wouldn't have to match anything, and that would be the better way. Here I used a stencil by Jody Robinson to mark these circles. These are one of my favorite designs. You can see them a lot in a few of my quilts. Over here in the border, I have these swirls coming out into these diagonal lines. And these diagonal lines and straight lines here are actually double 1/4 inch lines. So it's a 1/4 inch spacing, but then they also have that double line of stitching, which makes for a whole bunch of thread in there, but a really cool look, I think. Here I did is a 1.5 inch grid that I did a continuous curve on. Then in every other space in my continuous curve, I just went and filled in sort of with some sort of C shapes in there to give it this cool effect. I wanted a little bit more quilting than just the continuous curve was giving me. What else can I talk about? Not a whole bunch. Over here, so because this is not a 45-degree line, it means that when you come straight down and straight over, you have twice as dense here as here, which gives this really cool effect, I think, of this density and then this less dense place, and you can see this line where it turned really nicely, which is coming straight out of the piecing. I'm trying to use the angles that occur in the piecing out in the quilt as well. I'm also enjoying having these areas of crossed lines. Here I just put some lines in just for the sake of having them be crossed. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!